Hey guys, hope everyone is well. I'm gonna jump right in. This video is inspired by a question that I had from Sharon Rodriguez 2590, and I'm gonna address like the first half of that. So hold on. And her question is, so how do I search out who my competitors are? She talks about uploading a book onto Ingram Spark, and how I think she had a coloring book and she discounted at 40%, and now her new one that she's discounting to is 45%. So how does she figure out as far as the pricing strategy to play around? So I'm going to show you who I have partnered with, and what helps me figure out my competitors and what I can do and what I can improve on. So let me show you my screen. So I have partnered with Publisher Rocket, and I will place their link down below in the video. And this is the software that I use when working on my books and other authors' books, to figure out what categories, as you can see here, what keywords to put. I'm going to do the competition and analyzer, not even use my book. What categories, even Amazon ads. I don't think I've used these last two here, but definitely competition analyzer. And I will even use my book. Let's see. For that. And I love it here. They actually have books, Kindle only, Audible, and you can search by the ISBN or ASIN. But I have this in a book, so we're going to say go get 'em Rocket. And it's thinking. All right, so let's find my book right here, God's ABCs. And I'm just going to be transparent. You see my name. So here, this lets you know the age, how long this has been on, the days. Let's see, the number of days since it was published. It's been, let me make sure I track, 494 days. So 365, over a year. We're just going to say that in some months. It's 30 pages. I think keyword in the title. Make sure it tells you no. Pretty much all of these are no. The price, the daily sales. So I'm only making about $16 a day. Make sure, yep, same line item. And about $156 a month. And that's through selling my books through Amazon. But as I tell any authors, one platform should not be your, it's getting all a little fuzzy, should not be your only source of income. So like tomorrow, I am going to a book fair to sell my books. I just launched on TikTok, guys. Yesterday, I went live for my first time on TikTok. I launched the TikTok shop, my TikTok shop. So I haven't sold any books yet, but I'm just going to see how that goes. It's very interesting to, be on different platforms. And TikTok is new. If you're not aware, like last year or the year before last, whatever, my accounts got hacked. Like they went into my Facebook ad account, credit card issues, charging my card, and I just kind of like all my social media accounts. Let's just try to throw them away. But I no longer had access, so some of them I don't even know what they've done. So I've just started over afresh, anew. Like I was really discouraged for a good time period. So TikTok is one of the newer platforms that I'm trying to do my book sales. But let's get back to this information, okay? All right. So here, I guess, are the list of my other competitors, as you see. So my book is entitled God's ABCs, and these are all the other books, pretty much as you can see, that have like a biblical concept. And you even see right here, wow, God's ABCs, discovering biblical words from A to Z. Didn't even know that was, but you can have the same book title. It's all good. Check out their person. All right, their book has been on here less than a year. They have 68 pages. So it's twice the amount of pages as mine. They $15, so it's about $2 more than me. They're making a little less, and as far as their book sales, but that's perfectly okay, guys. Like, this is not the only platform that I sell my books on. It shouldn't be the only platform that authors should be selling their book on. You have Ingram Sparks, Drafter Digital, in person, your own website, guys. You want to take that in consideration. So once again, Publishers Rocket is the tool that I use to compare, and pretty much any book on Amazon, you could type it in, it will show you your competition. And so even though this uses Amazon, you could definitely take this information and implement it into Ingram Spark and across all the different platforms that you are using. So once again, I'm going to place the link below in the video that you can use and gain access to Publishers Rocket. And like I said, it's what I use not only for my books, but for other author books. And you can use this book to find out any information, to find out information on any of the books that are on Amazon's platform. All right. So I hope this information has not only helped that person who made the comment, but I hope it helped you. You know, if this video has helped you, definitely comment below. Let me know what you've learned. Let me know what more information that you would like to hear about. And God bless y'all. Have a great day.